Hello and good day everyone. In this video we are going to learn about referencing and plagiarism. Now let's start the lesson with defining three important terms, which is citation, copyright and plagiarism. What is citation? It is information about a publication, book, journal article, video, etc. that allows someone to identify and locate that publication. Citations for books usually contain the author's name, the book's title, place of publication and date of publication. Meanwhile, citations for journal articles usually include the author and title of the article, the title of the journal, the volume number, page numbers and date of publication. What is copyright? Copyright is a legal protection that provides the creator of a work with the sole right to publish, reproduce, and sell that work. Copyrights give exclusive right given to the owner of a copyright for a specific period. What is plagiarism? According to Troika and Hess 2018, plagiarism is presenting another person's words, ideas, or visual images as if they were your own. Plagiarizing is a form of academic dishonesty or cheating. It's a serious offense that can result in a failing grade or even expulsion from a college. Why people plagiarize? This can be because of many reasons, such as the lack of knowledge regarding plagiarism, lack of knowledge regarding information on the internet, and knowledge regarding citing sources. In addition, lack of confidence or less confidence in one's ability to write a paper could also lead to plagiarism, and lastly, procrastination, where the act of putting off or delaying or deferring an action to a later time. Plagiarism is not merely copying someone else's work for word. It usually happens in various forms. Here are four basic forms of plagiarism. Firstly, exact copying a source word for word with no credit given to the creator. Secondly is borrowing, where the act of turning in a paper that someone else has written. Thirdly is unclear, where lack of indication where the borrowing begins and ends. And fourthly, medley is copying of a resource using a few words here and there and not providing credit to the creator. How to avoid plagiarism? In academic world especially, it is a must for us to know ways to avoid plagiarism. Here are some suggestions of how we can avoid doing plagiarism. Firstly, we need to be aware of what plagiarism entails. It's a crime. Secondly, allow your time to write the paper. Do not procrastinate and make certain that all research assignments are absolutely clear. Thirdly, sharpen your time management and planning skills. In addition, you must learn about effective research and writing skills. Try to use a variety of resources for your research and take notes when conducting research, writing down the full source of information. Conduct research using critical thinking and problem-solving skills, moving away from the cut-and-paste mode of research. Write drafts and make copies of research mate. And finally, cite your sources. If you are unsure, cite them anyway. Include an annotated bibliography with your research paper. There are also techniques to use when writing your work that can avoid plagiarism. You always need a citation whenever you quote, paraphrase, or summarize a source to avoid plagiarism. Firstly, when doing paraphrase, you need to restate the information in your own words. This technique does not require that you use quotation marks, but it does require proper citation. Secondly, is to summarize. It is similar to paraphrase, but it is shorter and even closer to your own words. In doing summarization, proper citation is required. Thirdly, quote. For this technique, we may copy word for word, but this requires quotation marks and proper citation. Next is citation style. A citation style is a set of guidelines on how to cite sources in your academic writing. MLA style is the official style of the Modern Language Association, defined in the MLA Handbook 9th edition. It's widely used across various humanities disciplines. This guide follows the 9th edition, the most recent, of the MLA Handbook published by the Modern Language Association in 2021. Meanwhile, APA style is defined by the 7th edition of the Publication Manual of the American Psychological Association. It was designed for use in psychology, but today it's widely used across various disciplines, especially in the social sciences. This citation guide outlines the most important citation guidelines from the 7th edition APA Publication Manual 2020. Usually, it depends on your university on to which citation style to use in academic writing. These are references used for this video. Thank you all. If you have any question regarding to this video, please write your comment in the comment section.